So on April 18, I talked about Bitcoin and I said, guys, Bitcoin for the first time had failed and has a fake breakout. This is a bearish signal and it looks like it's going to reverse from here. And guess what? It was at 55,000 at that time, and in the last month it's right now down to 30,000. So it's down 50% since then. And I'm going to talk about exactly why I said it. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can predict this yourself, and not just with Bitcoin, but with any stocks. I'm going to show you multiple examples. So in my 5 years of trading career, I've looked at charts for more than 10,000 hours. So like if you do something for 10,000 hours, you become a pro at it, and that's all it is. And I know it's crazy that I keep looking at charts, but because of that, I can see some very small details that can actually give me very good price action results. So let's look at it into Bitcoin. So this is the chart of Bitcoin, and notice here that here at this area, the stock had a nice pattern breakout, and once it broke out, the stock went up crazy. Okay, and this is called a successful breakout. Now same thing happened here. There's another breakout, and then once it broke out, there was another successful breakout. Okay, but notice here what happened at around $60,000 price of Bitcoin. It had a breakout where it broke out here, but notice what happened. It was a fake breakout. It did not go up anymore, unlike all the other areas. And once it failed, that's when I said, guys, this is a fake breakout. Looks like Bitcoin is going to reverse. And look what happened. It's down to about 30,000 today, which is about 50%. So if only you realize here at this area that there's a fake breakout and the stock is not holding up anymore, not going up anymore, unlike here, right? Look what happened. The price just crashed and it came down 50%. Okay, now here it is. Let's look at other charts. I'm going to show you multiple examples, which also I alerted. I even made a video on NIO that is going to go down after when I noticed this. So let's look at here. I'm going to explain it. So this is a chart of NIO, right? Everybody was saying NIO is going to go up to $100 in near future, and it didn't. And now it's back, it's down 50% from its highs. It was up at $65 just last month or a couple of months ago, and now it's down to 35. However, at this area, I made a video on it. I'll post a link down below that I said, hey guys, at this area, when there was nothing here, when there was no action here, I said NIO is going to go down. And it did after. Nobody believed me at that time, but here it is. Just because I've been looking at charts, I've spent thousands and thousands of hours looking at charts. So let's look at here. So notice here, same thing happened. There's a breakout of the trend, and this is a successful breakout because as soon as it broke out, instead of price breaking and then coming back down, it did not. It went up, right? So that's a successful breakout. And then look what happened here. There's another breakout here, but instead of breaking out like this, it did not. It's a fake breakout because it broke out and then it faked out and then it just came down again. So when the stock breaks out of a channel, it needs to stay above it for it to continue or for it to have a successful breakout. And look what happened here. Right as soon as it broke out, the stock crashed. Okay. Now, let's look at RIOT. When everybody was saying that, hey, if Bitcoin goes up, RIOT will go up. But look what happened. There was a breakout here, but look what happened. The stock broke out and then it came down. Okay, this is called a fake breakout, and right after, boom, it crashed. Okay, let's look at another example. LAZR, exact same thing happened. There's a breakout, okay, but once it break out, it failed. But once the stock fails, look what happened. The stock is down another 50%. All right. So if you can only find fake breakouts, or if you're long in a position and stay in it as long as there is not a fake breakout. But once you see a fake breakout, you want to make sure that you lock in some profits, or you want to make sure that you are not buying at the highs anymore. Alright guys, I hope you learned something, and if you like it, make sure you subscribe because I'll be posting videos like these every other week. Alright, take care. Bye.